The reason I avoid this petrol pump, this particular fuel pump, it's in Akanka, uh, because I have noticed it that every freaking time I get a fuel up from this particular petrol pump, my mileage on all my motorcycles drops down. Insta 360 is recording. Hello. Hi Billu. Gucci. 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 All right. Hello YouTube. Welcome back to today's video. And just a short spin on the Expulse 200. Speed breakers. So the speed breakers, they don't exist on the Expulse. Insta is still recording. Can your R15 do that? Hell no. Oh, the weather seems very nice. The reason I avoid this petrol pump, this particular fuel pump, it's in Akanka, uh, because I have noticed it that every freaking time I get a fuel up from this particular petrol pump, my mileage on all my motorcycles drops down. And shockingly, the mileage on the Honda Shine 125 as well dropped down to a like uh, at least 10 to 15%, or maybe 20. I'm not sure. So that's why I completely avoid going to that, you know, fuel pump altogether. So yeah, for some reason the LED on my Insta isn't lighting up. This is the most stupid traffic signal for some reason. Such a beautiful sunset. So let's talk about the Expulse 204V 2024 edition. Now, this motorcycle is probably the only motorcycle that you will ever need to commute, to tour, and to have a lot of fun in the weekends. So most importantly, the only drawback was the tubeless tires, because some people, uh, I mean, this might actually be disastrous for newbies. They might end up getting stuck. So this is so much fun to ride. For the amount of money spent getting this motorcycle and the amount of fun you will get, it's immense. And moreover, the warranty, the 5-year warranty, is just a blessing. And decent mileage also from a 200cc. You will easily get 20, 35, 40 in city if you're not riding too aggressively. All right, I think the mic is connected again. So every time this thing turns off, once you turn it back on, you have to connect it again, unfortunately. We are good to go. There's a lot of traffic. All right. So what I was saying is that the Expulse is giving me decent amount of mileage, and I'm not having any problems with this motorcycle. There are some common problems with this Expulse 200, and a lot of users have complained about, they're getting close to like the RPM being fluctuating. The RPM fluctuates a lot sometimes during a cold start, and not just that. There's one more issue, is that the fuel pump is getting faulty very very quickly, like maybe like 10,000 or maybe even 5 to 10,000 kilometers. So if any Expulse owners have a solution to that, please let me know. I'll be very happy to address it to the other owners. Damn, this motorcycle absorbs speed breakers like they don't even exist. So I think if you're thinking of purchasing this motorcycle, please go for it, because the 5-year warranty is more than enough to take care of all the minor issues that might pop up. Because at the end of the day, after splitting from Honda, Hero has actually turned out to be a better partner. Because after splitting with because after I don't want to be in the blind spot, so I'm just moving ahead. Can the Expulse do well on roads also? Let's see. It surely can. Totally depends on who rides it. Lord Shine is trying to overtake. I let them win, man. So it's a nice day to ride this motorcycle. चालान कट रही है. They are looking for aftermarket exhaust people. Thumbnails for views. Oh. Let's try this new location. I think it was here for some off-roading patches. I need to check where my friend is.